Okay? Okay, let's move on to another topic called the break-even point analysis. Okay? Now, if we look at this graph, we have two lines here. The red line represents the revenue graph, and the blue line represents the cost. Okay, so as you can see, the revenue line starts from 0, which means if the quantity is 0, then the revenue is 0. So when quantity increases, the line goes up, meaning the revenue increases. Okay, as for the blue line, right, when Q equals 0 here, the cost here is the fixed cost. So as the quantity increases, the production cost will also increase, and the total cost, the blue graph, will also increase. And there will be at one stage, right here, where the total cost equals to total revenue. So this is the break-even point. So here on the left side, right, the area before the break-even point, the blue line is above the red line, meaning cost is higher than revenue. So when cost is higher than revenue, or we say revenue less than cost, that means here the factory is running at a loss. So after the break-even point, so any production after the break-even point, the revenue line is above the cost line. So therefore here in this area, revenue is higher than cost, therefore the factory will experience a profit. So in general, if R equals to C, that will be the break-even point here. Okay? If revenue less than cost, then the company is running at a loss. When revenue is higher than cost, then it will be profit. Okay? Let's look at an example here. Example 13. A company is selling a product at a price of 45 ringgit per unit. The variable cost per unit is 33 ringgit, while fixed cost is 450,000 ringgit. So how many units have to be sold in order to break even? Okay? So first of all, we find the total cost. Remember, total cost equals to variable cost plus fixed cost. So the variable cost is 33 ringgit per unit. So 33 times Q to get the total variable cost, plus fixed cost 450,000. Next, revenue equals to unit selling price times quantity. So here we are told that the company is selling a product at a price of 45 ringgit per unit. So the selling price per unit is 45 times the quantity, that will give us 45 Q. And then at break-even point, remember, revenue equals to cost, right? So therefore we say 45 Q is equals to 33 Q plus 450,000. So shift the 33Q to the left, where 45 minus 33 equals to 12Q. So 12Q equals to 450,000. Therefore Q equals to 450,000 divided by 12. This will give us 37,500. So therefore, for this company to break even, it must produce a minimum of 37,500 units. Okay? Alright, so with that, we end chapter 4 on linear functions. Thank you.